Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Before watching this video, please subscribe this channel.
In this video tutorial, I will show you how to use virtual desktops on Windows 10 or 11. Virtual desktops help to work in separate and organized workspaces on the same screen. It helps in performing multitasking. You can easily create multiple desktops on Windows 10 or 11. You can view all desktops on Task View by pressing Windows key plus Tab key on keyboard easily. To delete a desktop, press Windows key plus Tab key on keyboard and then click X on highlighted desktop icon. After that, it will be closed. You can create new desktop by pressing Ctrl plus Windows key plus D. To switch between desktops, press Ctrl plus Windows key plus left arrow key or right arrow key. You can easily switch between tabs from Task View.
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel.